The SOLPERK 30-watt 24-volt solar panel kit is designed with high-efficiency monocrystalline silicon cells, ensuring a conversion rate of up to 30% for faster charging. With a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame and toughened glass coating, this solar panel is built to withstand harsh weather conditions, boasting an impressive 25-year lifespan. The intelligent 10-Ampere Pulse Width Modulation charge controller provides enhanced charging efficiency and safeguards your battery from various safety hazards, even in inclement weather. Installation is straightforward with pre-drilled holes and adjustable mounts, allowing flexibility to set up on rooftops, utility poles, or walls for diverse applications. This versatile solar panel is ideal for 24-volt battery systems and can power a wide range of devices, from RVs and boats to security cameras and electric fences. SOLPERK offers reliable customer support with 24/7 online assistance and a 1-year after-sales service, ensuring peace of mind for your purchase.